Are you tired of constantly running out of ice just when you need it the most? Say goodbye to those inconvenient trips to the store with the 530-445-8371 refrigerator ice maker by Parts Supply House. Compatible with a range of brands including Frigidaire, Electrolux, and Gibson, this OEM replacement ice maker ensures you'll always have an ample supply of ice on hand. With its straightforward installation process and precise dimensions of 11 inches in diameter, 5 inches in width, and 3 inches in height, fitting it into your refrigerator is a breeze. Plus, with a capacity of 1 liter, you can trust that it will meet the demands of your household. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply enjoying a refreshing drink on a hot day. No need to worry about compatibility issues either, as this ice maker seamlessly replaces several part numbers, including 1198681, 240352407, 240352409, 240352411, 240352421, H1533004, EA1533004, and PS1533004. It's essentially a match to the genuine Frigidaire part, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. So, if you're in the market for a dependable solution to your ice-making needs, look no further than the 530-445-8371 refrigerator ice maker. Say hello to convenience and bid farewell to those last-minute trips to buy ice. Upgrade your refrigerator today and enjoy a constant supply of ice whenever you need it most. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.